Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Nigerian vegetable soup. First, let's gather our key ingredients. You'll need fresh vegetables, typically fluted pumpkin leaves, also known as ugu and sometimes water leaves. Next, prepare your protein, which can include assorted meats like goat meat or beef and smoked fish. Finally, have your palm oil, crayfish, peppers, and seasoning cubes on hand for a rich flavor. Now, let's build the foundation of our soup. Begin by boiling your assorted meats and fish until they are tender, then set them aside, reserving the stock. In a separate pot, heat your palm oil and sauté chopped onions until fragrant. Add your blended pepper mixture and ground crayfish, allowing it to cook down for about 5 to 7 minutes to deepen the flavors. With your base ready, it's time to bring everything together. Return your cooked meats and fish to the pot, along with the reserved stock. Stir in your washed and sliced fluted pumpkin leaves. Let the soup simmer gently for about 3 to 5 minutes, allowing the vegetables to cook without losing their vibrant color and nutrients. Taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and any additional spices as needed. Your delicious Nigerian vegetable soup is now ready to be enjoyed. Serve it hot with a traditional swallow like pounded yam, eba, or fufu. For an extra touch, you can garnish with a sprinkle of ground crayfish or a dash of pepper. This hearty and nutritious soup is perfect for any meal. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home experience. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.